walk or live by your own understanding, hallelujah, but it is to be dependent on him, hallelujah. Ungabi nazo ezinye options, hallelujah, kodwa uxhomekeke kuye, hallelujah. But they who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength, hallelujah. They who wait for the Lord shall receive new strength, hallelujah. Meaning that the Lord will replenish their energy, hallelujah. Bazongezelelwa ngamandla, hallelujah. They shall mount up with wings like eagles, hallelujah. They shall run and not be weary, hallelujah. They shall walk and not faint, hallelujah. Itilondo, hallelujah. That eagles are known, hallelujah, for their strength, hallelujah, and the ability to fly high heights, hallelujah.
Amen.
Eagles, hallelujah. Now, hallelujah. We will rise, hallelujah. We will rise above, hallelujah, our difficulties, hallelujah. Literally means that we will rise above our challenges, hallelujah. Those who are faithful to the Lord will be sustained by him, hallelujah.